Copper is a great metal to scrap. It's everywhere, and people need it all the time. This means you can often find it, and it's worth good money. Copper is used in pipes, wires, and even electronics. It's easy to recycle, which is good for the planet. So, scrapping copper is good for you and the environment. Ready to make some money? Let's learn how to find and scrap copper. It's a dirty job, but that's why we love it.
Sorry for the interruption of the video. Please press the subscribe button to continue the video so we can get more energy for more videos.
Not all copper is created equal. The more you know about different types, the more you can make. Bare bright copper is the best. It's shiny and new. Think copper pipes or electrical wiring that's never been used. Number 1 copper is still good. It might have some tarnish, but it's mostly clean. Number 2 copper has more stuff on it, like paint or solder. It's still worth money, but less than the others. Knowing the difference helps you get the best price. Copper is hiding everywhere. Keep your eyes peeled when you're out and about. Construction sites often have copper pipes and wiring. Ask politely if you can take scrap. Old houses being renovated are copper gold mines. Think pipes, wires, even old gutters. Remember, always ask permission before taking anything. You don't need fancy tools to scrap copper, but a few things help. A strong magnet helps you tell if something is copper or not. Copper isn't magnetic. Wire strippers help you remove the plastic coating from copper wires. This gets you more money. Heavy-duty gloves protect your hands from sharp edges. Safety first. Section 5. Copper or not. Simple tests. Not sure if it's copper. Here are a couple of easy tests. The magnet test. Real copper won't stick to a magnet. If it sticks, it's not copper. The scratch test. Copper has a reddish-brown color underneath. Scratch the surface lightly and you'll see. Remember, these tests aren't foolproof. If you're unsure, ask an expert. Section 6. Safety first. Scrapping can be dangerous if you're not careful. Here are some safety tips. Always wear gloves and safety glasses. Sharp metal can hurt. Be careful when handling old wires. They might still have electricity. If you're unsure about something, don't touch it. Ask for help. Section 7. Selling your copper scrap. Once you've collected some copper, it's time to cash in. Look for scrap yards in your area. They buy copper and other metals. Prices change, so call around to get the best deal. Don't be afraid to negotiate a fair price for your hard work. Section 8. Respect the law and the environment. Scrapping is great, but always follow the rules. Don't steal. Only take scrap from places where you have permission. Dispose of any hazardous materials properly. Batteries and chemicals need special handling. Let's keep scrapping sustainable and legal. Section 9. Get out there and start scrapping. Now you know the basics of copper scrapping. Get out there, find that copper and make some money. It's hard work, but it's honest work and it can pay off. Remember, every piece of copper recycled is a win for you and the environment. Happy scrapping. Happy.